welcome you everybody into Eden's Technology. Today I'll be unfolding to you one of our products, and it is called Smart Power Bank. It has a lot of usefulness. It can charge two phones simultaneously. It has touch attached to it for you to light up your dark space. There are a lot of benefit in having this very product. This is a portable power bank. It is mainly used for charging digital equipment. It is built-in rechargeable lithium battery with charging by micro USB interface. Dual USB output of 5 volts 1 ampere and 5 volts 2.1 ampere. And can also meet various demands of digital devices. Protection of short circuit and constant voltage with current limit function. We support you a safe charging. It also have a built-in MCU, which is micro control unit, intelligence control charging and charging. The LCD display shows the working condition and the balance of your power percent. Okay, so let me show you the package. And also we have it in various colors. We have it in white, in black, and also in red. Okay. You can see that it has 2 charging points. Okay, 2 USB charging points. And it also have 2 USB outputs for you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. As I've said earlier on, it also have touch. Okay. This is the touch point. You just press this very button and your touch will come up. Hope you can see. So it's so handy. It also have the charging percentage. Okay, when you are charging, it will show you 25%, 50, 75, and also. Okay, so right now the charging percent is 75. Okay, charging point is 75. When it gets to 100, you will see the 100% will appear around this point. So this product is so useful. Okay, it will save a lot of embarrassment. So I advise you to show your interest in the comment section. Also subscribe to our channel, share it to others so that others will know what we're all about. We also have other devices in our store: projector, phone accessory, so on and so forth. So this is the USB cable that comes with it for you to charge. Okay, so thank you for your patronage.